Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today for What's New Wednesday, I have a couple of Happy Meal items. I received my Hip Kit Club subscription kit for the month, and so I can't wait to dig into that. And then I also received my welcome kit for Go Wild, which is happening in less than 40 days. Crazy. And so I'm going to unbox those in today's video. Stay tuned. All right, I'm going to actually start with the Hip Kit Club kit. This one is for the month of January. This is not sponsored. I pay for the Hip Kit Club kit every month, and I love the bright colors. I love the goodies that they include. It is just a fun kit to receive. It comes in this like huge Ziploc bag, which is actually really nice for organizing it. Let's start out with the papers and see what they look like. So there are actually different versions of the Hip Kit Club subscription each month. This is the main kit. They have like a documenters kit, which is more like for card style documenting. They have a solid cardstock kit. They have a mixed media kit. They have stamps. They have dies. They have all the things. But I get the main kit each month. This month's kit is called Stories We Tell, and it is so pretty. Look at those colors. I love it. This page is called Lessons Learned. So pretty. Then we have these gorgeous florals, childhood memories. Oh, and the yellows. I mean, are you seeing why I love this? Look at all of these colors. Look at this one. It looks like a sweater. Family traditions. Love this. I use this in documenting and memory planning. I make cards. I do all the things. Heartfelt memory. I do also believe that the Hip Kit Club has individual months for sale. I think you pay a little bit more if you're just buying like a one-off month as opposed to the subscription. But if this is something that you're like, yes, that's amazing, then you can check out their website. I will link it below. Not an affiliate link. I just happen to really like the Hip Kit Club. This one says, I was young once. Oh, I just love the colors this month. This is a pretty month. Look at this. You guys, that is all books. Are you kidding me? It will be a bestseller. That is beautiful. Obsessed. Obsessed with that one. Okay. Bows. Remember when? Like when you tie a bow around your finger to remember. Oh, this is such a good kit. Oh, the fussy cut these florals out. Secrets revealed. So good this month. Send me a letter. This is just my vibe. They tend to be bright, whimsical, fun. I love it. Skillshare. And these are all Hip Kit Club exclusives. These are papers you can't buy other places. And then, are you kidding me? Tell your story. I need this paper. And all of the, I need a bunch of this paper. That is so cool. And then we have Touching Sentiment. So pretty. So you get all of those papers. Love, love, love. And then you get accessories. So let's see what else came this month. We have some alpha stickers. These have a little bit of puff to them. I like the sizing this month, a little bit smaller than we've seen before. And it's this dark blue that'll go really nicely with a lot of the paper. So I love that. And then let's see, what are these? This is something that's a little bit different. Let's open this up. They look like stickers. So these are cardstock stickers. Oh my goodness. Look at this one, you guys, with all the cutouts on it. Oh, I love cardstock stickers. Oh, I love these trims. That is beautiful. So you have those stickers, and then you have these little like pocket looking pieces. Super into those. We always receive chipboard stickers or chipboard of some sort. Usually not my favorite. I don't always use chipboard. Let's not open it. But this one is kind of cool because it's a bunch of this smaller word fetty. Clearing my camera, I found these. Putting away the holiday decorations and getting organized. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Call it what you want. I wouldn't change a thing. Oh, I like this. I like all the words. You guys know I love words in everything I use. So this one would be great. I think I could include that. And always with chipboard, you can always like peel off some of the back layers and still use the pieces if you don't like to add dimension. So this is one I think that I will actually use. So I'm pretty pumped about that. And then we get cardstock paper pieces right here. Let's just look at them real fast. If I can open the back. Okay. Something I like about the Hip Kit Club paper pieces is that they're smaller. And so for memory planning, which is primarily what I use this for, it works really, really well, in my opinion, for that. All right. Oh, driving lessons. Can't put it into words. Thankful. This is a moment forever in my heart. Oh, I just love all of the phrases, you guys. And these are like kind of real life ones, snapshots, little embroidery. I love that. Then and now, now and then. Oh, these are fun. But I love the bright colors. Even though it's winter, you can do bright colors whenever you want. Life taught me to cherish moments. I love that. Oh, look at the TV. That's fun. Our favorite TV shows of all time. See, it's very much lends itself to documenting, which I love. Document this memory. She taught me how to sew. Oh, I love that. Look at that. All right. Those are some, oh, look at that cat. He's funny. Okay. Those are some great paper pieces. All right. I'm really excited. The stories we tell from the Hip Kit Club. This was the January 2023 subscription. So you can check them out below. Like I said, not an affiliate link. I have just been getting the Hip Kit Club for a while now, and I really enjoy their whimsical, colorful feel. So I'm kind of all about, oh, look at that dog. I didn't even see him. So cute. Kind of all about the Hip Kit Club. So that is that beautiful kit that I wanted to share with you guys. Now, next up, this is my Go Wild welcome kit. I know some planner babes that are going to Go Wild do not want to see what is in here until they receive their own. So if that is you, then you may want to turn off this video and wait to be surprised. All right, so what is Go Wild? Go Wild is a planner themed conference. This year it's happening in Washington, D.C., so right in my backyard. So I'm really, really excited to check it out. I went to Go Wild last year when it was in California, had a fabulous time. There's a bunch of speakers, there's all this inspiration, there's some practical tips and tricks and things that are shared about planning. And probably the best part is just meeting some amazing planner babes, some people that are passionate about the same things you are passionate about. Really means a lot. So this year they sent our badges in our like welcome kit in advance. It comes in this really cute box. That's definitely like a memento type box. So I'm just going to open it up. We have Washington right here. Here's our little, like, it gives us some tips, gives us the map of the hotel, the schedule, things like that. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited to dig in. Then we have our little eye shade, Wake Me Up in Washington. That is super cute. That's going to be perfect. There's a party called Planjama, which is the last night of the conference, and everyone wears pajamas and we dance and we have good food and drinks, and it's lots of fun. So that'll be fun to wear. We get our happy badge, and of course it has our social media stuff on it. I love it, and I will add in my badge from last year as well, kind of behind it, but that's awesome. What else? Oh, some mild liners, some exclusive Go Wild mild liners. You stop it. That is so fun. Zebra usually sponsors one of the events. Erin Condren usually sponsors things. The Happy Planner sponsors things. Chrissy Ann Designs sponsors a big chunk of it as well. There's all kinds of businesses that sponsor different parts of the event. Businesses that we kind of use throughout the year and that are passionate about, again, planning and paper crafting and all the stationery and the pens and all the things. It's so fun. All right. We also have a beautiful new pink pen, Zebra as well. Love that. This is our 2023 pin, exclusive pin. So that'll go on to the lanyard right there. I love that. These are fun to keep. We have some Simply Gilded washi. We get some 15% off. Woo! Through for Simply Gilded. Love that. That's going to be gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to open that. Okay, what else we got? Some Chrissy Ann Designs goodies. Oh, is this a sticker? I think so. Yeah, this is a sticker from Chrissy Ann Designs. Peace, Love, Wild. Then we have this. Oh, it's beautiful. This one says wild. It's probably hard to see because it's white and it's on clear. So you might see a little better. Oh, that's cute with this Washington Monument. I love it. Then we have the llama, adorable. So 3 exclusive stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs. This gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is from Simply Gilded. Look, that's beautiful. All of this is like, it means a lot to me because I'm from Washington, D.C. So it's like landmarks and things that I know and love. Oh, that's so pretty. A postcard from Simply Gilded. I love it. You are invited to anonymously contribute a secret to a group art project. Yes. Okay, I'm in there. That's going to be fun. And then we have some more info from Go Wild. And this says I'm going. Oh, it's so fun. It gets me so excited. It's a whirlwind going into Go Wild, getting everything ready and all that. This year I don't have to travel, which is really nice. I will, of course, be bringing you guys along. I'll do some vlogging there and a haul afterwards of all the extra swag and things like that we get. But it's a ton. It's a ton of fun. It's not cheap to go. It's something that I have to save up for sure. But it means a lot to me to get the chance to go. All right, so that is what's new in my craft studio this week. I will link the Hip Kit Club below. Like I said, not an affiliate link, but you can check out their website, see what they have available. And I'll also link Wild for Planners. If you haven't checked them out, there's Go Wild, of course, which is the planner conference, but there's also this thing called Wild University that I'm a member of as well, full of all kinds of fun content and things like that. So you can check out the link for that in the description box below as well. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. And I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.